Hello everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Summer is in full swing here in Hong Kong. The weather is very hot and the sun is shining pretty much every single day. During summertime, our face tend to get more oilier and get sweaty easier. This is the time to take care of your pores. So that's why I wanted to give you my honest review on the Paula's Choice Hero product, the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and maybe you should consider including this product within your pore care routine. If you're interested in clearing your pores, tighten some of those pores around your face, make sure you keep on watching. So let's get started. My name is Gladys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I give my honest review on different products that I have tried, so you don't need to waste your time and money in finding products that is effective on your skin. Recently, I have purchased a bunch of Paula's Choice products, and this is the first time ever I have used Paula's Choice products. Never used it before, never tried it before, but I've heard of a lot of great things about this product line. So what's better than trying the Hero product first? The 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. And this is my honest review of using the product on my sensitive combination skin. What I love about this product is very obvious, which is the 2% salicylic acid included in this liquid exfoliant. If you don't already know, at a concentration of 2% BHA, it is very effective in going down into your pores to get rid of the oil sebums that got stuck in your pores, which causes blackheads or acne. And unlike other products in the market, such as those anti-aging products, this product works straight away. You can see the result instantly. So here you can see that they actually have 4 different types of liquid exfoliant. Now here I'm excluding those in the form of lotion. So here I'm just focusing on liquid exfoliant in toner form. I've tried obviously the Hero version, which is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, which contains 2% salicylic acid. From the product list, it also has the extra strength anti-redness exfoliating solution with 2% salicylic acid, and also has a regular strength anti-redness exfoliating solution with 2% salicylic acid. And lastly, it has the daily pore refining treatment with 2% BHA. So this is the version that I have used on my face. Now what's funny about the different version they have on their website is that the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant has the exact same ingredient list with the extra strength anti-redness exfoliating solution with 2% salicylic acid. Now I'm not an expert in reading ingredient list, nor am I claiming myself to be an expert. I think it's kind of misleading to package pretty similar formulation in 2 packaging and claim that they're 2 products. But as for the regular strength, the ingredient list is pretty different. It added more hydrating and skin soothing ingredients that could benefit your skin. If you're looking for something that is more hydrating, you can opt for that regular strength. What about the difference between these 2 versions? I find that the Hero version, which is this one, even though the ingredient list is pretty simple, it has salicylic acid and some hydrating ingredients, but I still find that this version is slightly heavier on my skin. It's almost too hydrating for my skin, for my oily combination skin. I really don't like the feel of this version on my face versus this which is the daily pore refining treatment 2% BHA. This is actually for oily combination skins. For this version, the texture or the how the product feels on my skin is much lighter. So I actually enjoy this version than the original Hero product version. Have a look what kind of skin type you have. If you have normal to dry skin, you probably prefer this one. But if you have oily to combination skin, I think you wanted to go for this version, especially during summertime. How I use it is I would use it on a cotton pad and then wipe the toner around my cheek area where I need to spot treat. The product says you can use it every day. However, I don't do that on my sensitive combination oily skin. One, it is still a liquid exfoliant. Right now, I'm not suffering any kind of severe acne. I don't need to exfoliate my skin every single day. And I've also heard of another chemist, Kenna, who is also here on YouTube, and she talked about people once they get into the 2% salicylic acid, the skin is kind of reliant on the ingredient to get rid of the oil that got stuck in your pores, and then once you stop it, the blackheads or the oil comes back stronger. And I personally have also experienced it as well. I used to use the ordinary peeling solution regularly, and I've stopped for a month, and I can see that the blackhead situation around my cheek area comes back stronger. So that's why I would not use it every single day. I would only use it 1 to 2 times a week to spot treat certain part of my face, the area where I have large pores or blackheads or acne, and it works wonderfully so far for my skin. I did not experience any kind of irritation. Now let's talk about what not to mix it with while you are using this product. I wouldn't use it with certain ingredients, one of them being retinol. Retinol is an ingredient that could potentially cause irritation on your skin, especially if you are using a high dosage, whether it's tretinoin or a high percentage of ranolidine or even retinol. And the second thing is, if you're using this toner in the morning, make sure you followed with a good SPF sunscreen. And the third thing is, try not to use this product together with vitamin C. The active form of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, could be very irritating for people who have sensitive skin. This BHA is already a potential irritant to your skin. You don't want to add another potential irritant for your skin, especially for people who have sensitive skin. I would recommend to, if you were to use vitamin C as an antioxidant, try to space it out. So once you've applied the toner, wait for at least 10 to half an hour before you apply the vitamin C on your face, or you use another type of antioxidant during the day when you're applying this toner. And I think you can get away from vitamin C derivatives, which is a more stabilized form of vitamin C, which causes less irritation on your skin. So it really depends on what kind of vitamin C you use, followed by this toner. And then the next product that you don't want to use it together with this toner is niacinamide. I know niacinamide is very hyped up recently because of The Ordinary, and niacinamide is actually a product that has been added to a lot of products. It's just that it was not being highlighted in the past. And I'm going to refer to the pH value of this toner. The pH value is quite low for it to be effective on your skin. The low pH will actually change the pH value of the niacinamide, and the acidity of this toner would modify the niacinamide and then it change it to niacin, which is not an ingredient that would be beneficial to your skin. So that's why definitely stay away from any kind of niacinamide product right after this toner, or space it out at least 10 minutes to 30 minutes so that the pH value of your face started to get back to normal. Then you can apply the niacinamide. I really enjoyed the 2% BHA toner. I find that it is really very effective in getting rid of the blackheads around my cheek area and around my nose. I can pretty much see the results quite clearly. I have another video coming up that I'm gonna give my review on the moisturizer. So if you're interested in knowing more about their products, make sure you stay tuned for that video. If you have enjoyed what I've shared today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really supports me to make more videos like this. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. I have more videos on different product review, so if you're interested, you can check them out at the end of this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!